on the top of this page. Okay, put the date and write CW. Acha, now write ordinal numbers for the given ordinal names. What to write here? You have to write the ordinal numbers for the given ordinal names. Acha, names are given, okay? So what to write? I think all of you can do it yourself. This type of questions already done. Yes, to. So what to write? Basically the representation. It is done to Faim Ahmad, Alvira, Pranavi. This type of thing done in class. Yes, okay. So I think you can do it yourself. Look, the first one is given 6th. It is given 6th, no? Basically, its number means what to write. The representation. I have done na in class. The representation. Yes or no? Rishi, Debattam, Shuhana. It is done to the representation. Ankon. Okay. So just write the representation. How to write this 6 and TH on the top of this 6. Yes or no? Shake your head. Yes or no? Atrika, Riddhima, Shuhana. Acha, okay. Now the next one. Look, third. Acha, as there is not enough space, that's why I am writing the answer over there, huh? But you will have to write here only. Got it too? Acha, Riddhima, why have you not wear your uniform? Okay, I'll come to you. Okay, just after some times. Let me complete this one first. Acha, the second one is given third. So its representation will be 3, then RD. Okay, now the next one. It is given 8th. It will be 8. Then on the top of this 8, we have to put TH. Yes, so. Now the next one is given 4th. FOURTH. 4th. A4 then TH. Do it fast. Ankon Patra, where are you? Ankon? Ankon, if you want to move from your place, then you have to take permission, okay? Barna क्या मिलेगा पिटाई, okay? अच्छा. Next one. 10th. 10th. You will just have to write the answer. I know you have completed already. 10th. Completed though? Okay, good. Now 5th. This one? 5, then TH. Yes. Don't worry, I'll check the copy, huh? Next one, 2nd. This 2nd will be 2, then ND. Note it down first. 2, then ND. Now I am clearing the screen. All of you completed up to this though? Shuhana, Riddhima, Pranavi, Faim Ahmad, Muhammad Tarsid. Shaptorshi Lamia, completed? Devi? Okay, then I am clearing the screen, huh? Up to 2nd done. Now, let me do this one. 7th. 7th means that one will be, I am not writing the word, huh? 7th. 7, then TH. Next one, first. 1, then AST. Already this type of thing done. Then 9th. 9, then TH. Okay? So done. Shuprit. Now, I want to know that all of you understood or not. You will have to shake your head. I am not going to take the name individually. Okay, just Shake your head, all the student, if you have understood. Okay. Those who have doubt, they can raise their hand. Okay. I don't think there will be doubt because it has been done for so many times, na? Shuprit, now you are feeling bored, na? Because so many times done it is. Acha, not bored. Okay. Acha, now the next one. Look at this. Match the following number with its name. You have to match. Also, this type of thing done, na? Okay, now match it. Look at this. First one is given second. That is given 2 ND, na? We have to find here second where it is written. Look, acha, it will be very dirty, huh? If you draw in this way. So, what to do in the book? Okay, just look at this. Mark it is, mark as second, it will be marked as 1, okay? So, this one will be, you have to do in copy, huh? For this one, you will have to do in copy. Take out your copy and write in the copy that page number 104, page 104, and this match portion, okay? Match the following. Match the following. Sorry, FO, this one. Do it in the copy. I'll check each and everyone's copy, okay? So do it first. Mohammad Tarsid, sit properly. Huh, Devi? You want to say something? Mohammad Tarsid, sit properly. Ata, already, if you have already completed in the book, then no issue. Again, you have to do it in copy. It will be your practice, okay? Because this type of representation already I have done, but today you will have to do it in the copy, okay? Now, no need to write the question, no need to draw the box. Only directly we will write the answer. First put 1, then write second. Put arrow, then second, in this way, okay? I think now it is clear. You have done, Devi? Devi, raise your hand. Acha, Devi, I am coming. Devi, I am coming. Just wait. At first, complete this in the copy. Okay. After just 2 minutes, I am coming to you. Okay, beta? Second, now the second one. It is given, look, 15th. 15, then TH, na? So, write over there 15th. Already this type of thing I have completed up to. Acha, wait, huh? This will be E. As per I can remember, I have completed up to 20th, na? Suprit? In the class, I completed up to 20th, na? Okay. Now the third one. That is given 8, then TH. So what will be its name? 8. EIGHT. Okay. Achha, now the fourth one. It is written 11, then TH. It will be 11th. ELEVENT, then H. Now the fifth one. That is given 9, then TH. NINTH. 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 Write the answer. Now the sixth one. It is given 6, then TH. So what will be its name? Sixth. Yes or no? Shake your head. If yes, okay. S-I-X-T-H. Now the seventh one. Now the seventh one. Seventh one is given 14, then TH. So it should be 14th. Okay, write F-O-U-R T-E-E-N-T-H. Up to 14th done. Now these three are remaining. 13th, 7th, 20th. 13th, 7th and 28th. This one will be 13th. Yes, this one will be 7th. This one will be 20th. Okay, but I'll write this, don't worry. Up to 7, all of you completed? Confirm it, Shuprit, Anushruva. Anushruva, keep your camera on. Anushruva, keep your camera. Yes. Anushruva, acha, Ankon Patra completed. Raise your hand if you have completed up to this. Riddhima, Pranavi, Mohammad Arsid, Sheikh Tamanna, Shoptorshi, Devattam, Shuhana. Done or not? Okay, beta. Then the next one, it will be 13th. Just write the spelling T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N-T-H. Then this one 7, then TH, it will be, the spelling will be A-C-V-E-N-T-H. Then 20th. Okay. Write the spelling T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H. Completed. Riddhima done. Ishan, Anubhav, Anurag, and Ankon Patra done. Pranavi, where are you? Pranavi, I cannot see you properly, beta. Acha, don't move from your place. Ankon. Pushpak, Ankush Guchait, Parnik Maji, Parnik. बेटा मॉम आए थे ना, योर मदर केम टू द स्कूल तो, और मुझे बोल दिया गया कि अगर तुम कोई भी नॉटीनेस अगर यहाँ पे होगा ना तो बहुत मार पड़ेगा। जिसका जिसका पेरेंट्स आया था सब बोल दिया कि अगर क्लास में कुछ गड़बड़ किए हो तो बहुत पिटाई पड़ेगा, ठीक है? सबको बोल रही हूँ, अंडरस्टूड? अच्छा, ओके। अभिज्ञान, you want to dance, na? Avigyan, show me your copy. Acha, now the next one. Look at this. Ha, Shanvi, yes, good. Shanvi, good. Okay. Now the next one, look. It is given, look. There are 5 friends, na? Shamir, Mahak, Neetu, Rihan, and Arav. They are standing over there. Sheikh Jisham Ali. Are you doing? I'll check your book and copy, okay? Acha, this one again you have to do in book. Again, this one you will have to do in book, okay? What is the question? The question is given. Observe. Acha, Aditya, sit properly. Don't move. Observe the screen. Acha, observe the scene starting from the left and answer the questions. Starting from the left means from left side. Which one is your left side? Suppose you are looking at the screen, huh? you are doing the classes from laptop or desktop, whatever, or from phone. Okay. If you are looking at the screen of the laptop or desktop, okay, then which one is your left side? That one will be considered as left one. Okay. If we are looking at the screen, then this one will remain as left side, na? And this will be remain as right side. Your left hand means that one is left side. Got it though? Your left hand means left side. Okay. Lamia got it? Now look. In the left side, the first, who is standing over there? Sameer. Second, Mahak. Third, Neetu. Fourth, Rihan. Fifth, Arav. Okay. Now, I am just writing over there. This is first position. This is second position. Third position. Fourth position and fifth position. Now, it will be very easy for you to answer the following question. First one is given. Neetu is at the dash place. Neetu is at which place? Neetu is where? This one is Neetu, na? So this is third. Okay. So fill in the blanks of where the answer will be third. But as there is not enough space, okay, that's why I am writing the answer over there. You will write in that blank. Okay. Kushal, writing. Shanvi, keep your camera on. Alvi, Otrika. Alvi and Otrika, writing. Okay, good. Now the second one. Dash is the first. Who is in the first position? Samirna. So the second answer, first answer will be third. Second one will be Samir. Third answer will be, acha, Rihan is standing dash in the, okay. Acha, Rihan's, that means you have to put Rihan's place. It will be fourth. This one is Rihan, na? Yes. Now the fourth one, Mahak. Mahak, this second one. Or you can say Mehek, Mahak, okay, whatever. Basically for the name, you can pronounce whatever you want. Okay, Mehek also you can say. Acha, now it will be second. Now the fifth one. Dash is standing fifth. Who is standing in fifth position? Arav. All of you done the answer? Then I'll check your copy. Shanvi, Kushal, Otrika, Lamia. Done to? Fine, Mehmet and Anuswa, again, you have turned off your camera. Anuswa, turn on your camera. Anuswa. Anuswa, if you don't turn on your camera, then I'll have to remove you. मैं क्लास से रिमूव कर दूंगी. ओके. अगर कैमरा ऑन नहीं किए हो. अनुश्रुआ, पापा ने मुझे बोल के गए, हाँ, कि तुम क्लास के बाद गेम खेलते हो. अनुश्रुआ, show me your copy and book. Acha, now look at the next page, that worksheet page. Okay, look at this. This page, what will be your homework? Only this one. And these three and the last one I will do in class tomorrow. But your homework will be only this one. Only this is the homework. Okay. You have to color the bricks. Okay. Color the sixth brick red. Look at this. Here are how many bricks are there? Just count. 6 bricks are there. Look, first first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now, according to the statement, you will have to color it. Okay, Shanvi, keep your camera on. You have to color it. Suppose first it is given color the sixth brick red. That means what? You have to color the sixth one as red. Okay. Now color the third brick blue. Third one you have to make blue. Got it? In this way, blue. Understood? So all of you will be able to complete this one as homework. Yes or no? Shake your head, all of you. Atrika, Faim Ahmad, Risha, Pranavi, Shanvi, you can do it in home. This one. Acha, okay. Aditya, can you? Sheikh Tamanna, Alvi, Alvira. Okay. Panik, you can do this one. Yes or no? Okay, Sholanki, Panik, are you able to? You can do this one. Only you have to color. Shake your head if yes, and then if no, then also shake your head. Acha, yes, okay, good. Avigyan, you can do it. Okay, now let me check your copy. Ishan, Pranav, acha, the name I'll call one by one. Show me your copy. And also tell me whether have you understood or not.